Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad to see y'all here. My name is Joshua McCarty and I've been working on this workshop and class for at least a year now. And if you don't know, my name is Joshua McCarty, like I said, and I did 6 years excuse me, in prison in the state of Georgia for robbery and aggravated assault. And when I first got out of prison, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to set up an email address. I didn't know how to really fill out applications again because everything went online. When I first went into prison, I was just doing mostly everything like filling out paper applications and stuff. And luckily, I had a great support system when I got out. My brother helped me a lot, and my father helped me a lot. And I understand that everybody's not blessed with the same type of blessings and with the same opportunities. Everybody's life is different, and people have different support systems in their life. That's why I chose to make this workshop, and it's called Breadcrumbs. And I'm teaching y'all everything that I learned when I got out of prison. Everything from how to get jobs, how to build resumes, how to fill out applications, how to talk to people, how to not to be aggressive, how to plan your days, goal setting and everything. And we have this whole course that is going to be laid out, and each week we're going to post different things to help y'all transition back into society, so it'll be hopefully a smoother transition. And I don't know everything, so if y'all know some things that help other people or that has helped you, then post them down in the comments, and together we can make it and beat recidivism.